You!
Here we go again. What the hell is your problem?
I saw what you did, Squidward! You tried to sneak out of the Krusty Krab from the freaking back, Squidward! Don't you dare try to lie to me, you freaking squid!
Mr. Krabs, I don't know what you're talking about! I was freaking using the restroom, Mr. Krabs! God, you're so dumb!
Then who did it, Squidward? It shouldn't be a ghost, is it, Squidward?
Actually, Mr. Krabs, it was me. I'm the one that snuck out of the back door.